Here's how you can enable camera access on Dola AI application. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to enable camera access, you first need to open your Dola AI application. From the home page, tap on the menu at the very top left corner of the screen. Next, at the very bottom, you could see the cog icon. Tap on it. After you're taken to the menu or the settings page, scroll down a bit, you could find privacy and permission. Tap on privacy and permission. Now there you go, you have permission section and you have all these permission like microphone and all that. Since you want to enable access to camera, go to camera section. As you can see, there is a pop-up. It indicates if you turn it off, you won't be able to take photos. To enable, you have to go to devices settings, tap on settings. Now you want to go to permission once again. You then need to scroll down and select camera and make sure to tap on allow only while using this app. Or maybe you could also select ask every time. So whenever you're going to take a picture, it's going to pop up, says enable camera. And you could refresh. Now then you could go ahead and take a photo that you've successfully enabled camera. So here you go. This is how it's done. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.